in addition to simplifying rational expressions, we also want to be able to add and subtract rational expressions. In the two steps that we're looking at is combining the like terms that are in the numerator and simplifying. Now, of course, when the denominators are different, you would first have to get the least common denominator, but we're not looking at that in week 6. We're only looking at rational expressions with common denominators. So just looking at this first example, we've got addition. So we can go ahead and combine our like terms. I'm going to first do that by writing this as one fraction over one of the 4x's, and then combine like terms. Like terms are the ones with the same variable and the same exponent. 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared. Negative 5 plus 10 is plus 5. And that's divided by 4x. And then that's your answer, but you always want to simplify by factoring the numerator and denominator to see if anything else will cancel. Well, in the numerator, you can factor out the greatest common factor, which is 5. And you'd have left over x squared plus 1, because 5x squared divided by 5 is x squared. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And there's nothing to factor out in the denominator. You just have 4x. And if you could cancel any common factors in the numerator and denominator, you would. But since you have no common factors, 5 times x squared plus 1 divided by 4x is your final answer in this case. And now when we're subtracting, an important step when you subtract is you have to distribute the negative sign. So it's not just the 5x that's negative, it's the 5x and the 2 that's negative. So we're going to change all the signs in the second numerator. So that would make that a negative 5x and a minus 2. And that's all over x plus 3. So that now, when we combine like terms, 5x minus 5x cancel. That's just 0x. And a positive 2 and a negative 2 also cancel, leaving you with 0. So the only thing we have in the numerator is 0. And that's divided by x plus 3. But when you divide 0 by anything, you still get an answer of 0. So your answer in this case would be 0. And that would be proper. Don't leave it as 0 divided by x plus 3. Simplify that down completely to just a final answer of 0.